Over time, crucial evidence may disappear, memories may fade, and witness testimonies can become as unreliable as a Wi-Fi signal in a basement. Consider your lawyer as your legal detective, piecing together the puzzle before any critical evidence vanishes into thin air. Imagine you're playing a game of chess. You might know how the pieces move, but a lawyer knows the strategies, the openings, and how to checkmate the opponent. They're not just playing, they're aiming to win. Lawyers handle all communication with insurance companies and other parties involved, ensuring your rights are protected and that you receive fair compensation. Think of them as your shield and sword, defending you and fighting for your interests. Consider this. Car accidents involve various legal and financial implications that many people might not consider. If the accident damages traffic lights, street lamps, a roadside billboard, or even a building, the owners of these objects may also have property damage claims. If you've been injured and need a hand, you know where to find me. Czubernatlaw.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I am Greg Czubernat, your friendly neighborhood personal injury attorney here in Hinsdale, Illinois. Today, we're diving into some of the questions you've been asking about lawyer fees and when to get legal help. I'm here to break it all down for you in a way that's clear and straightforward. If you want to stay updated with our latest episodes, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. I am Greg Czubernat, and I have spent my career fighting for people who've been hurt in accidents here in Illinois. My mission? To make sure you get the compensation you deserve. If you've been injured and need a hand, you know where to find me. Czubernatlaw.com. Now, let's consider whether it's worth hiring a lawyer after an accident or if you should try to handle the case yourself. Spoiler alert, it's definitely worth hiring a lawyer. The benefits of doing so are immense, and here's why. A personal injury lawyer has the knowledge and experience to accurately evaluate your situation, gather necessary evidence, and develop effective legal strategy. Imagine you're playing a game of chess. You might know how the pieces move, but a lawyer knows the strategies, the openings, and how to checkmate the opponent. They're not just playing, they're aiming to win. When representing injured clients, lawyers handle all communication with insurance companies and other parties involved, ensuring your rights are protected and that you receive fair compensation. Think of them as your shield and sword, defending you and fighting for your interests. Additionally, a lawyer's involvement sends a clear message to the opposing party that you're serious about pursuing your claim and you won't settle for less than what you deserve. Lawyers can negotiate settlements on your behalf, potentially securing more favorable terms than you might achieve alone. They know the tactics, the value of your case, and how to leverage the law to your advantage. It's like having a seasoned negotiator on your side in a high-stakes deal. Ever tried haggling at a market? Now, imagine that the market is full of experienced negotiators who do this for a living. You need someone in your corner who knows the tricks of the trade and won't settle for less than you deserve. Consider this. Car accidents involve various legal and financial implications that many people might not consider. If the accident damages traffic lights, street lamps, a roadside billboard, or even a building, the owners of these objects may also have property damage claims. Maybe the police officer who responded to the car accident issued a ticket to the driver deemed at fault. So we're dealing with traffic laws, or in some cases, criminal law, If, for example, the accident was caused by a drunk driver. Given the spectrum of potential implications, the support of an experienced lawyer becomes even more crucial. Lawyers can provide valuable guidance and support throughout the legal process, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on your recovery. So don't try to be a hero and go it alone. Hiring a lawyer is like having a GPS for your legal journey. They know the shortcuts, the traffic jams to avoid, and how to get you to your destination efficiently. Now, when should you decide to seek a lawyer's help in personal injury cases? The answer is simple: as soon as possible. It's crucial not only to observe the statutes of limitations, but also to gather evidence, build your case, and develop strategies from the get-go. The sooner you consult a lawyer about your situation, the better. Think of it like fresh produce. Time is of the essence. Over time, crucial evidence may disappear, memories may fade, and witness testimonies can become as unreliable as a Wi-Fi signal in a basement. Imagine this scenario. Will that all-important red light camera footage still be available a year after a car crash? Will a nearby store that captured the accident on video keep the evidence, potentially waiting for someone to request it? Highly unlikely. These examples highlight the importance of acting quickly to preserve essential information and records. Consider your lawyer as your legal detective, piecing together the puzzle before any critical evidence vanishes into thin air. They know where to look, who to talk to, and how to make sure your case is as strong as possible. So don't wait until it's too late. The sooner you get a lawyer on your side, the better your chances of securing the compensation you deserve. Let's talk about something that often makes people nervous: lawyer fees. Many injured individuals worry about the costs of hiring a lawyer, thinking that handling the case themselves will save money. However, this do-it-yourself approach can sometimes mean leaving money on the table. Before we dive into the specifics, it's crucial to understand the different types of lawyer fees. Lawyers typically charge their clients in one of three ways: flat fees, hourly fees, and contingency fees. Let's break down each of these categories. Flat fees. Imagine you're hiring a lawyer for a real estate transaction. The fees here are usually predetermined, like ordering a set menu at a restaurant. Both the lawyer and the client know exactly what to expect. The scope of work is clear. Hourly fees. Now, picture defending yourself against a lawsuit. Here, a lawyer's fee may be hourly, much like a taxi meter running. The duration of the case is unpredictable, depending on the opponent's actions and the court's decisions. The more hours worked, the higher the fee. Contingency fees. This is where it gets interesting for personal injury cases. Most personal injury lawyers work on contingency fee bases. A contingency fee means the lawyer's payment is a percentage of the money they recover for you. Typically, this percentage is around a third of the settlement or award, but it can range between 20% and 50% depending on the specifics of the case. This means that if you win, the lawyer takes their fee from the money you receive. If you lose, you don't owe them anything for their services. It's a win-win situation for you because the lawyer is motivated to get the best possible outcome for your case. It's important to differentiate between lawyer fees and case costs. Case costs include court fees, expert fees, and expenses related to gathering evidence. These are billed separately and can add up, so it's important to discuss them upfront with your lawyer and get a clear understanding of what you might be responsible for. By understanding these different fee structures, you can make a smarter decision about hiring a lawyer. Think of hiring a personal injury lawyer as an investment in your future. While you might pay a portion of your settlement, having proper representation often leads to a much better outcome than handling the case on your own. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. If you enjoyed this episode and want to hear more, our podcast is now available on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. To stay updated with our latest episodes, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. For more information or to get in touch, visit czubernatlaw.com. See you next week.